Here are the ingredients that we will be using in Ginisang Ampalaya. We need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 medium size of ampalaya or bitter gourd, shrimp 6 pieces, tomato 3 small tomatoes, and of course we need onion and garlic. Let's begin. Let's put the oil, the 2 tablespoons oil, next let's put the garlic, golden brown. Now we can put the onion, next we can put our 3 pieces sliced tomato, let's wait until the tomato is cooked. Let's cover it first. And wait for about 2 minutes. Ayan. Medyo so why we're doing this? Because the juice of tomato will be out. Okay. We can put now the fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. It's optional if you want fish sauce or alamang, but for this recipe I used fish sauce. Okay, so we can put now shrimp, 6 pieces. You can put less if you want. Once we're already saute the garlic, onion, tomato, and shrimp, we can put now the bitter gourd or ampalaya. So we already wash it with hot water and salt, the ampalaya, because they're saying that if you do that, it will lessen the bitterness of the ampalaya. But for me, it's optional if you want it or not. But in this recipe, I did that. So actually, it depends on the ampalaya. Some ampalaya is bitter, some are not. Okay, so let's just wait. And they say that you should not mix it more often if you are cooking ampalaya. Once it's simmering, you can also add, it depends on your type. You can put half cup of water or 1 cup of water. Sometimes people want it masabaw, but sometimes they don't want too much liquid. So let's cover it again and let's simmer it for 5 minutes. Yan. Look natin. Okay. Sa mga iba gusto half cook, haluin natin ng konti. Yan. Pwede na yan sa iba. Yan. So, mga tao dito sa bahay, mas gusto yung lutong-luto. Alright. So, wow. So, ayan. Luto na ang ating ginisang ampalaya. And here are our finished product. Ginisang ampalaya. Sana i-try nyo rin. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog. So, if you like it, just click and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next cooking. Bye!